So you might be in a situation where your pop-ups on Instagram aren't working or they're not showing up. So what does this mean? Well, basically, sometimes if you go into Instagram, you might see some pop-ups that come up that are actually very important. So you can see right here, I have one pop-up right here, and this is just like managing your business suite or whatever. But there are pop-ups that are very important. Things like the verifications that just came out, things like any new features, anything, maybe even some new tests and trials that are coming out too. And you might notice that some people are getting some features, but you're not. And these pop-ups are a great way of actually seeing if you're in that pool of getting those features. Now, if they are missing, you may just want to remember and keep in mind that are the people showing those pop-ups on the top of Instagram that you can swipe out of? Are they random accounts like myself, or are they business profiles or even verified users? If they are business accounts or professional accounts of some sort, well, that might be the issue that's basically going on. So you might not be able to go ahead and basically, see these pop-ups because you don't have that appropriate account. So you can always go through if you want to change your account, which I probably wouldn't recommend doing unless you know what you're doing. You can always go into your account setting right here. You can always switch account type. You can also add a new professional account if you want to. But that is an option that you do have, which I would probably recommend some people considering. But basically the biggest reason why you're not seeing this pop-up, mostly if it's not the account issue, it might be because you have a very outdated version of Instagram. So what you can always try doing is you can always make your way over to your app store. So just open up your app store, Apple App Store, Android, Google Play Store, whatever you're using, and you want to go ahead and search up Instagram. So go and search up Instagram as you normally would. All you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up the application, and you want to update your Instagram app. Now, chances are, if you have a very outdated version of Instagram, the reason why this is even you're getting that pop-up is because it was very outdated. So just go ahead and update your Instagram version, and that probably could end up fixing the problem. If that's still not working, you may want to go and restart your phone, connect to a better network, but most probably it's just not applicable in your area yet for that pop-up, and basically you're just going to have to wait until it comes out in your area. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.